Hello again, welcome back to Between the Keys. I'm here today teaching another Adele hit song. It's her second most famous or popular song on Spotify. I'm working my way through. It's Set Fire to the Rain by Adele. Let's check it out. So that introduction uses the chords from the verse, which is D minor. That's your first little pattern. A, D, F, D, A, D, F. We go to F. We go to C. G minor. Those are your four chords. Excuse me. There's also that part. A, B flat on the F. G minor. Again. Slower this time. C, G minor, one more time. C, G minor. I let it fall comes in there. Okay, yeah, the first verse. I let it fall. Now that actually keeps going, but I'm not going to play while I sing that melody. Let it fall, my heart is going to be difficult. And so I fell. See, I can't sing along and play, so I'm just going to hold the chords. Let it fall, my heart. And as it fell, you rose to claim it. Those are the same four chords from the intro. D minor again. It was dark, and I was over until you kissed my lips. Different chord here. It doesn't go to G minor again. It goes to C sus4. And you saved me until you kissed my lips. And you saved me. Just one note difference. C, E, and G. And then C, F, and G. It goes straight into another verse. Verse 2 is my hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak. Okay, stand in your arms without falling to your feet. Okay, let me just have a sip of coffee. With honey. Okay, fantastic. Pre-chorus. But there's a side to you. B flat. But there's a side to you that I, G minor, never knew. I'll often put the 7 on a minor chord. It's unintrusive. It doesn't change the flavor too much. You can definitely still sing over it. I'm not going to go too far into chords and harmony and different ways of playing chords, okay? But B flat. There's a side to you that you can just play G minor. Never knew, but I'm going to put the 7 on. Never knew all the things you'd say. That's D minor, and we stay on D minor. They were never true. B flat again. And the games you'd play, you would always win. That was B flat to C. I set fire, chorus, to the rain, D minor. Watch it pour down to C. As I touched your face, well, it burned in the night. I always sing that. It's when I cried. Well, it burned when I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. D minor, your name. That's to C. Again, the chorus, D minor, C, G minor, and then D minor to C just at the end. Set fire to the rain, watched it pour, comes in with C there. As I touched your face, well, it burned when I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Okay, verse 3. Now it says on Ultimate Guitar here that she sings When I'm With You. I'm pretty sure she actually sings When I Lay With You. When I Lay With You. But whatever she sings, it doesn't matter. Verse 3, I'm going to sing, when I lay with you, I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here forever, you and me, nothing gets better. Not sure I sang it exactly right, but it's the same chords. D minor, F, C and G minor. D minor, F, C, and then C sus4. You could also play like this, B flat over C, but that's a lot more heavy and it's got an extra couple of notes in there. So I'm going to just say so that you can definitely sing over it and it's not going to sound wrong, to just play it like that or like this. G, C, and F. Just have a sip of water again. We go back to the pre-chorus after verse 3, because there's a side to you. Okay. B flat. Cause there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you'd say. They were never true, and the games you'd play, you would always win. Okay, back to the chorus. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned when I cried, cause I heard it screaming out your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames, where I felt something die, cause I knew that was the last time. Okay, we're gonna go to the bridge now. As long as I don't have a locked jaw, which means I can still sing. Okay, sometimes I wake up by the door. Okay, B flat. Sometimes I wake up by the door. What is this one? F over A in the bass. That heart you caught must be waiting for you. That heart you caught must be waiting for you. That's how she sings that. Even now when we're already over, I can't help myself looking for you. I set fire. Okay, let's stop there. Bridge again. B flat. Sometimes I wake up by the door. That's F. That heart you caught must be waiting for you. A minor to C. Even now when we're already over. Same chords. I can't help myself looking for you. That's C. We're going to go back to the chorus, and it's the last time. I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touched your face. And it burned when I cried, cause I heard it screaming out your name. D minor, down to C. I set fire, it goes twice, to the rain, and I threw us into the flames, when I felt something die, cause I knew that it was the last time. B flat, the last time. And now, she goes, whoa, whoa. No, we go to the outro, and she does 2 bars on each chord, and it's a lot of oohs. Okay, a lot of oohs and a lot of ahs. Let's do 2 bars on D minor. Let it burn, let it burn, let it burn, let it burn, let it burn. 2 bars on D minor, 2 bars on C, 2 bars on G minor, D minor, 1 bar. 1, 2, 3, and again, D minor, 2 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, G minor. Bam, ba, na, na, na. The second time it's B flat to C. Excuse me. Dry throat today. D minor. It just ends. It just suddenly ends, this song. It goes D minor, C, G minor, B flat, and then ends on that C. And there's no resolution. It just fades out. It's a lovely song. Setting fire to the rain isn't quite possible, but it's a nice metaphor, or whatever you could call it. It's interesting. I don't know what she means. No one knows what she means. What does she mean? If you know what Adele means, please post it in the chat. It's a very interesting song. I'd love to know the meaning behind it. And I could Google it, but that would spoil the fun. Thanks for watching Between the Keys. Hopefully my camera stops wobbling But hopefully you managed to learn the song and it was useful. If you found the video good and interesting and useful, then please give it a like and a thumbs up. That's the same thing. And a subscribe, hit the buttons, and it surely will help the channel out. So thanks again. I'll see you in the next one, which will be Adele's third most popular song on Spotify, which is Someone Like You. No, that's a different song. Someone Like You by Adele. How does that one go? That's actually got more plays than Easy On Me and Set Fire to the Rain. Why does Spotify not have them in order of plays anymore? This one actually has 2 billion, whereas Set Fire to the Rain only has 1.7 billion. I mean, that's nothing, is it, in comparison? Over 2 billion streams on the next one, Someone Like You. So I'm going to learn that now, give it a quick listen, and I'll be back with that one. Stay tuned for more. Thanks again for watching.